back. Today I am so excited about this. My name is Victoria and I'm so happy that you guys are here today. Every Wednesday we post a new video and I love that consistently you come and hang out. We are so blessed by that. Today we're celebrating the 12 days of Christmas in November. Today is day 8 inside this box. For those friends that don't know, my name is Victoria and I have a home decor subscription box called the Free Spirit Bundle. Right now we are celebrating the 12 days of Christmas in November. We're doing it in November so that your bundle gets to you in time to decorate for the holidays. It's so stinking fun. I have hand curated 12 different bundles. Not one item overlaps. Every single one of them are different. And today we're opening the bundle day 8. I wanted to do this together with you. And every day a new item is revealed. At the end, we'll take a look back at the first 7 days together. The best part about Free Spirit Bundle, in my opinion, is that every single purchase, you're giving back. You're giving back to our local community where we do a complete room makeover for someone who has walked through divorce at no cost to them. Our new bundle blessing project that will be coming up is a living room. She's getting a completely new living room. Her name is Jamie. She is a single mama of 2 and she also has a stepdaughter that lives with her. Her story is wow. It's crazy, you guys. So we would love for you to go along that journey with us. Remember, at Free Spirit, every purchase, there is a portion that gets set aside for that project. Our home decor subscription box is a quarterly subscription where you get surprised every quarter with beautiful home items. Nothing is holiday in your home decor subscription, whether it's elite or petite, but this is a curated holiday collection. It's a limited edition. Like I said, every single box is different. It's so much fun. Let's dive in and see what we have for day 8. Christmas in the Kitchen bundle is the only bundle in the collection that, in my opinion, can really only be used in the kitchen. Now, you could use it at a bar area. Here is how your bundle will come to you. All the boxes are different sizes because, again, there's a different curation inside of each box. Let's see what this collection is. Of course, I curated it, so I know what it is, but I just wanted to be able to show you what you can expect from a Free Spirit Bundle 12 Days of Christmas box. All of these fun items. Most of the bundles have 5 to 6 items. There are 8 of the 12 bundles that are less than $100. This bundle is $68, plus you will pay $19.99 flat rate for the packing and shipping. I promise you guys, that is a discount. It is wild how expensive it is to ship. And as a small business owner, I wish I could gift that back to you, but I can't. But what I can do is give you the coupon code. You can save $5 on your shipping and handling if you use coupon code FREESPIRIT. Just for watching today. Thank you so much. So let's do this. I'm gonna open this first because this to me kind of holds the rest. If you have been around Free Spirit, you know that I always tell you to get a tray. Get a tray to gather your items, gather your crap on your kitchen counter or your bathroom counter or at your front door, your keys, your mail, your remotes. It really elevates a space when you can have it on a tray. Look at this little guy. I loved him so much. It's so beautiful, this little Mary tray. Now, in your kitchen, you could have a small charcuterie. I'm going to use this to go along with these items, but truly, you could have it sitting at your sink with your soap, your sponge, your washcloths. Lots of ways to use this guy in the kitchen. Open this little guy. He's so fun. You guys, I never get to unbox my own things. If you missed day 1, day 3, and day 4, we have over at the pink envelope, Samantha opened day 1, Noelle at Hi Noelle opened day 3, and Christy at Georgia Sunshine opened day 4. Free Spirit is opening day 8. You can also see all of the bundles in between and coming soon if you go to our freespiritbundle.com website or follow us on social media. Free Spirit Bundle, Instagram and Facebook. Look at him. Isn't he so fun? Now, this could be a cocktail spoon. If you don't drink coffee, like I have coffee bar, hot chocolate, hot tea in mind when I was curating this bundle. But if you don't like hot chocolate, hot tea, or hot coffee, by all means, make yourself a holiday cocktail, and this could definitely go over to the bar area. So you get this beautiful spoon that is gold, this wood tray. What's this? I kind of forget. Oh, I remember. This little gift, this could be the perfect hostess gift this holiday. How cute is this? Our coffee creamer. Love it. Out my coffee bar behind me. What's this one? This must be, oh, I know what this is. It's glass. The lid. The little wooden spoon. Our sugar holder. Yay! How cute is he? If you don't use sugar in your coffee, but you use honey, you could put that in here. Or maybe you use cinnamon. You could put that in here as well. You guys, so we have a coffee cream and sugar little set with pine needles and gold speckles and Christmas trees and pine cones to go on our merry tray. Last item. Let's see what it is. I know what it is. Now this will vary in your bundle. The photo that is on the website is different than the one I'm opening, but those are the only two that you would get. They're both really fun and they're both snowmen. We don't get snow in Florida, but this makes me feel very festive and happy. How cute is he? So this is a little bowl, easily can go here. Now, if you are at the cocktail bar, you could definitely put lemons or limes in your snowman. Use your cocktail spoon and have all of this. Of course, those don't really go in the bar unless you have some kind of cool spice. Actually, you could put alcohol in this and some other kind of topping for your drinks. Pomegranates for a Moscow mule, a holiday mule. Okay, I like this. Or put it at your coffee or tea or hot chocolate. You could put marshmallows in this little guy. I'm gonna put tea bags in it. You guys, I hope you love this little bundle. I wanna style this together. It's time to change out my everyday cream and sugar, which is from a past bundle, Free Spirit Elite box. We're going to trade those for our holiday collection. The last everyday item that came out of my little coffee bar are my spoons. So instead, I'm gonna put my Mary tray with my mixers, spoon, and we can't, of course, forget. We are ready to serve our holiday beverages. Keep in mind this holiday season Free Spirit bundle. Thank you so much for shopping small business. I do not take it lightly that you shop for me. I personally use so many of the items in my home. Now, when it comes to my quarterly subscription box, I don't send my subscribers something that I haven't already lived with for months so that I can test the products out, know the quality and the functionality. Let's take a look at the past 7 days of 12 Days of Christmas bundles with Free Spirit bundle. On day 1, we had the Bo Ho Ho bundle. On day 2, I'll Be Home for Christmas bundle. You receive 2 fun little houses and 2 Christmas trees. Day 3, Merry Christmas Artisan bundle. I wish you could smell the candle. It's so amazing and delicious. It smells just like the holidays. You also receive this gorgeous and unique tall copper tree, as well as a set of 2, the Merry Christmas handmade artisan sign, and a set of green glass beads. We can't forget about Santa on Christmas. Check out day 4, our Santa Baby bundle. Day 5 is a beautiful trio, our Winter Wonderland trio bundle. Day 6 is Merry and Bright with another tree trio. Day 7, Hark! Angels bundle. One of my favorite Christmas songs, Hark the Herald Angels Sing, and I love this paper tree topper, or as you can see, it can sit by itself. You also get this collection of mercury glass Christmas trees and a tall, eclectic, beautiful angel. Day 8 was the collection that you saw today, so let's move on to 9. Just kidding. You can't see day 9 until tomorrow, so be sure to check back every day, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are fabulous bundles coming your way. Like I said, none of them overlap. If you wanted all 12, you would literally have 12 different collections of beautiful holiday decor. These are giftable for yourself, giftable as a hostess gift, or maybe that loved one in your life that you know loves Christmas and would be so delighted to receive a Free Spirit Bundle holiday curation in the mail. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I truly love being with you every week on Wednesday. If you have not already subscribed, I would be so grateful if you would do that. Hit the thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below, what is your favorite Christmas song? I don't know if you caught on, but our Free Spirit Bundle 12 Days of Christmas, multiple titles of the bundles are related back to a Christmas song. So tell me in the comments what your favorite is. There's too many for me to choose from. I love O Holy Night, Hark the Herald Angels, I'll Be Home for Christmas, Chestnuts Roasting on an Open Fire. Are you guys getting excited about the holidays? It's so stinking fun. So until next week, go head over to freespiritbundle.com, check out our 12 Days of Christmas, use coupon code FREESPIRIT, and you can save $5 at checkout. Thank you guys. Have a great rest of your week. Until next week. Bye.